Hi, my name is Zoltán Forgó. I'm assistant professor at the Sapientia University and the head of the mechanical engineering department. And the aim of the 360 lesson of mine is to present the students the possibility for using the robots for the manufacturing automatization. That means the welding with robots will be presented in the first picture, and on the second one will be about the workspace of the robots. First of all, some issues about the robots are presented, and in deep it will be about the welding gun of the robot. As tasks, we have activities, we have two audio and one quiz and one video to see how it should be the robot demonstrate the assembly. In the second part, it will be used as stated about the workspace of the robot. We have inserted for the workspace workload of the robot, and we will be speaking about the system, the robotic system, the 6-axis robotic system. The extension of the workspace is realized with a linear guide of the robot, and this is presented through two videos which will be viewed by the students. Thank you.